I really like the Buds 3 Pro. I'm a big fan. They sound great, they look awesome, especially them little lights. But they're just not my go-to headphones. I usually end up going for something like these, just because these just don't stay in my ears. And that's not a problem with these headphones. I have only ever once had a pair of headphones that stayed in my ears. That was the Galaxy Buds Live, which the noise cancellation was non-existent and the sound quality was kind of mid. So I think I've just got weird ears. I've just give up on different types of headphones because I buy different ones all the time and they just never stay in my ears. So this is my only hope. These are the Comply foam in-ear headphone tips, and apparently they're for max true grip, so we will see how well that stands up. 3 pairs in the pack, different sizes. They are memory foam, supposed to be extremely durable, maximum noise isolation, blah 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 blah, and secure in-ear fit. I swear I will lose it if they do not stay in my ears, because what else am I supposed to do? So let's get these unboxed and have a look inside and see whether I can finally have my Buds 3 Pro as my main headphones I go for the gym, for running, for walking, for sitting in the office, because even when I'm just sat still, I can just be sat there like this. And then, drop, they fall out. When I'm walking, I'm constantly making sure they're in tight and twisting them and pushing them, and it's annoying. Like, it should be classed as a disability. Seriously, it's outrageous. So, fingers crossed for me. Let's unbox these and see how we go. Right, so I've got my Buds 3 Pro. I've got my Comply headphones. Let's put these on, see how they fit, and take it from there. I'm actually nervous because there's a lot riding on these. Nice little box. Slots out of the sleeve. Comply, I'm guessing they go that way. And then, oh, magnetic box. Register your product today. Nice little welcome to Comply. These do make phone tips for all brands of headphones though, not just Samsung. So, you know, you've got Sony, Apple, etc. So if you aren't happy with your tips, then have a look at these. Okay, let's start on this side then. A little tool there, don't know what that's for, maybe cleaning or something. I don't know, I'll have a little look. Seems a bit thick for cleaning it. And a little microfiber cloth, okay. I'm sure it'll say in the booklet what that is. Yes, it is a cleaning tool, okay. And then looking in the box, it looks like they've all mixed up the sizes, so that's annoying. I need the smallest one, so let me... Okay, so it looks to me, we've got large, medium, and small. Yay. So let's take these ones off, because these just pull off, and obviously the bad press they got at the start does make me a little bit nervous changing these. I'm sure Samsung have fixed the issue now, right? But still, okay, that's on. And then the other small one, I'll pop that on. And just putting them on, you can feel a difference straight away. They do feel different. Like, they feel matte, as they feel quite smooth. Could also just be because they've been used, but we'll see. The inside there, so you can see it's the same mechanism for attaching, but this is a bit more, because that's just thin silicone, if you can see there on that side. Thin silicone on that side, and then that side is a thicker foam with a silicone surrounding, I think. No, it's not even silicone surrounding, it's just foam. Okay. We have them on. Let's see how they fit. Right, so I have them on, and they feel good. They feel really secure. I'm talking. By the way, normally I'm doing all this weird head shaking stuff, but yeah, they would have gone flying by now already. So I already know these are better than the original tips that you get on there. Kind of like witchcraft, because why are they not falling out? Yay! I might actually be able to go for a jog with my headphones in. Winner! I don't want to get too excited because I do run alongside a canal, and if it does fall out, it's bye-bye Buds 3 Pro. But yeah, I'm going to give them a try, at least walking outside, sitting at my desk, type, talking, not falling out. This is amazing. Where have you been all my life, Comply? Where have you been all my life? Sorry.